Today's collectible spot, we're having a look at a Hellraiser puzzle box that Spot picked up from the good folks over at the Monster Company. Spot seems to have a thing for puzzle boxes. This one's a little bit different in the fact that it's more a heavier stone puzzle box. By comparison, I just happen to have another one here presently. Here's one of the other puzzle boxes that Spot has had in his collection. You can see that there's a difference between the two in sizing. Paint-wise, though, a little bit different also as well. This is more of a matte, almost like a matte copper color, and then they got this darker wash on it. Spot picked this up from the good folks again at the Monster Company, and when you get it, you get like a little pamphlet. They specialize in movie memorabilia, and you can go to www.themonstercompany.co.uk. They've got child's play prop dolls. They've got some Batman the Dark Knight movie props, movie used props. They got a whole bunch of stuff. The Resident Evil stuff kind of really interests me too. The Resident Evil T-Virus vials, full scale, is something I probably would get myself eventually as well. But on the underside, there's some felt. They put felt on the bottom there so it won't scratch the surface. It's a heavier puzzle box by comparison to one of the ones that Spot's already had. This is a little bit lighter, being that this is more a stone piece. It really looks nice. It's one of those things where it may not necessarily convey an accurate movie prop, but still as something that could sit on a desk, it's got an antiqueness to it. Spot's making up words, but it's got a real antique feel to it, an antique vibe that I really like quite a bit. It's got all the same details that all the other puzzle boxes have, but just has more of that aged look to it. It's definitely an interesting and one of my favorite puzzle boxes, just because it is so considerably different than the other ones. Today's collectible spot, we were having a look at something, another puzzle box that Spot picked up here. We were having a look at the puzzle box from themonstercompany.co. Certainly stick around, guys. Spot's got many more. Oh, don't want to do that. I almost did. Certainly stay tuned, guys. Spot's got more collectible spots heading your way. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.